AD confirms intra-party coup. The 10th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. President Emerson Mnangagwa has openly admitted that ZANU-PF is battling serious internal divisions, acknowledging factional disputes that threaten the ruling party's stability. Speaking at the launch of the ZANU-PF Women's League Empowerment Fund in Harare, Mnangagwa called on members to guard against disunity, warning that some within the party were actively seeking to fragment its structures. The exposure, denunciation, and rejection of those who try to fragment the Women's League and divide the party is paramount, Mnangagwa said. The divisions stem largely from disputes over Mnangagwa's succession, while some loyalists are pushing for him to extend his rule beyond the constitutional two-term limit ending in 2028. Mnangagwa has publicly rejected the proposal, insisting he will step down when his mandate ends. Factionalism, a persistent ZANU-PF curse. Analysts say Mnangagwa's remarks are the latest episode in ZANU-PF's long history of factional infighting. In the early 2000s, a bitter rivalry emerged between Mnangagwa and then Vice President Joyce Mujiru, culminating in Mujiru's expulsion in 2014. During the mid-2000s, the party was split between the so-called Weevils and Gamatox factions. In the 2010s, Mugabe's succession became the flashpoint, pitting the G40 faction against Mnangagwa's Lacoste camp, a clash that culminated in the 2017 coup, which ousted Mugabe and installed Mnangagwa. Observers note that these recurring battles have always revolved around succession, control of party structures, and access to state resources. Women's League Fund launched. Despite the simmering tensions, Mnangagwa used the event to unveil the Women's League Empowerment Fund, describing it as a beacon of hope to accelerate community development across the country. When women have economic power and sustainable livelihoods, families are sustained and communities are developed. Step by step, brick by brick, he said. Mnangagwa added that the program goes beyond funding, aiming to equip women with skills and knowledge to drive social transformation.